Get ready to uncover the secrets of the universe with me, or at least answer the questions you all asked me. Okay, first question. Would you make a Stickman movie? Well, if you mean stick animations, then I have made some, but a whole movie, that would take years of work and probably a team to accomplish. I could, but I don't think so. Next question says, why are you so good at animating? To be honest, I don't think I'm good at it. Maybe decent, and if you want to get better, just practice a lot. Who was your biggest inspiration to get into animation? I got into animation after I watched Combat Gods. So yeah, Janza the animator of Combat Gods was my first inspiration. If you can make a country human or state human, what would it be?
Ohio.
How long has it been since you started YouTube? It's been for years, although I just started taking it serious 2 years ago. Stickman God asks, can you make a collab for us? Well, I'm working on a collab with some animators right now, but I'll host a collab soon enough for everyone here to join, maybe at 20k subs. What kind of device or pen do you use? I use my phone and my hands. TUS318 asks, did you delete your second channel? Nope, it's still here. Let's get it to 500 subs, please. I'll be posting some more videos there. Are you gonna give me a shout out? If you want regular shout outs, just become a channel member. What if water was wet? Next question. Are you friends with the owner of flipaclip? No, I'm not friends with him. I'm just a regular user. Kaya Animations asks, are you gonna go live soon? Well, yeah, I'll probably go live once I get an iPad. It's better to live stream animation on a bigger screen. The next question says, do you make any revenue? Yes, I make revenue when you watch ads displayed on the video, so next time you see an ad, do me a favor and watch till the end.
Oh my god, who the hell cares?
Celestial Fam asks, what brought you to animating? Well, for this, I'll tell you a little story. Years ago, a bored kid was shown a video of two stick figures fighting. The kid was so amazed and wondered how such awesome videos were created. The kid decided to make some research, and as fate would have it, the kid stumbled upon a masterpiece, an animation app named flipaclip. The kid would then go on to watch countless tutorials on YouTube and make tons of wacky projects on the app. And this kid was me. Back to the questions now. How did you randomly get super popular? I don't think I'm super popular, but I would say people watch my videos because they liked it.
Okay.
Hyro asks, if you have your own tram of animators, will you make a series? If I could get enough audience of people interested, I would. Next question. Why did you decide to make tutorials? Good question. When I started animating, there were some times I searched for tutorials and I couldn't find them. I realized that other new people after me would face similar problems, so I decided to make tutorials to assist anyone who might have issues, especially as a beginner. Next question. Where are you from?
Ohio.
When is your next collab, and if there is any, can we get a sneak peek? I haven't decided on a date yet, but here's a sneak peek. Frogman's Animations asks, where did you learn to animate so good? Well, in my opinion, I'm not so good. Although I keep getting better, and you can too, by practicing every single day. And another tip is to watch other animations frame by frame. Okay, this next question is a lot and I just previously answered the last one. Practicing is what helps me the most. And let me just go on to say, if you're an animator and you want to level up really fast, just animate for 30 days straight, every single day, and you'll notice yourself getting better. Okay, moving on to the next question. Elixir asks, are you gonna make a collab? Well, yes, I already have some ideas and a few I'm working on, so stay tuned. Next question says, How many FPS do you use when animating? Just like I encourage everyone to do in my videos, I always use 20 frames per second in all my animations. Next question, who inspired you, or just why did you decide to make these tutorials? I make these tutorials as a way to help beginner animators who, just like me some years ago, discovered animation for the first time, and I don't have a specific inspiration, but a lot of people inspire me. Now, this is a series of questions. Why did you use flipaclip to animate? Will you make a stickman video like Combat Gods? Will you use other animation apps in the future? I used flipaclip because it was my favorite when I got started in animation. Yes, I plan to make a video like Combat Gods sometime in the future. I've used stick nodes, but I definitely have to try out Flash too. And finally, saving the first for last. Why haven't you animated something from Dragon Ball Super? Well, I did animate something from Dragon Balls. Check through my previous videos. And with that, we're done with our question and answer video. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Also, thank you for getting me to 8,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all.